Maxim 42. Who has renounced appetites for the sake of approbation by men, has fallen from licit into illicit appetites. A devotee who sits in a corner, not for God's sake, is helpless. No matter which way you turn, right? What can he see in a dark mirror? So just don't go off into the corner and be quiet and blank your mind and maybe sit in the dark and all that stuff. You know, there's activity to do. Little by little becomes much, and drop by drop will be a torrent. And that is to say, he who has no power gathers small stones that he may, at the proper opportunity, annihilate the pride of his foe. Drop upon drop collected will make a river. Rivers upon rivers collected will make a sea. Little and little together will become much. The granary is but grain upon grain.